have to replace this solenoid over here, the shut-off valve, because the water just keeps on flowing through even though it's already disconnected or the water timer is off. What I'm gonna do, instead of removing the whole assembly, I bought a exact replacement shut-off valve, and all I have to do is just remove the diaphragm, replace this top one and the valve, and I hope this will work. So make sure the diaphragm is, the tiny holder is lined up. Start to see from doing that at that angle. So right there, that little holder is lined up for the rubber diaphragm, and then the spring goes in the hole. Just like this over there. And replace it and line it up with the hole, with the screw hole, and then start screwing it in. Turn it on. Right here, here's the main switch bulb. Turn it on now slowly. Drip system over here is no longer leaking out. I'm gonna turn it on the timer. And there you go. It started to turn on. And then I'm gonna turn it off if it turns off, just to make sure the watering system is working. And it turned off. So now that it works, just gonna make sure there's no potential leak around it. It's pretty good. I don't see any leak. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna put this lid now.